Hi and welcome to the DNA Custom Paints YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to completely transform your brakes using a full system from DNA Custom Paints. Everything you see here is applied wet on wet, including the stencil, to showcase the quality, versatility and efficiency of our products. We'll be using DNA Etch Primer, HS Primer, black and white base coat and diamond clear. The key to a high quality finish is proper prep. We start by sanding with 240 to 400, then finishing with red Scotch Brite to ensure proper adhesion. Next, we apply DNA's Etch Primer mixed at 1:1. This is essential when bare metal is exposed as it creates a strong bond for the following layers. Apply a light, even sealed coat and allow to dry for 5 minutes. Next up is DNA's HS Primer, mixed at 4:1:1. This acts as our surfacer, not for heavy filling, just one sealed coat to give us a smooth surface and solid adhesion for the base coat. For this job, we're given an extended dry time of 20 minutes at 30 degrees, which helps ensure clean stencil application and removal later on. Now it's time for color. We're using DNA's black base coat in an aerosol. It's quick, easy to use and perfect for smaller jobs like calipers. It offers excellent coverage, so 2 light coats is all you'll need. Make sure you shake the can thoroughly before you use it and allow each coat to flash off. We're giving it a 20-minute dry time at 30 degrees before moving on to the stencil. With the base coat dry, we apply the stencil, making sure it's positioned correctly and press down firmly to avoid any paint bleed. Now we're applying DNA's white base coat. Mixed at 60-40, we're building this up over the stencil, starting with a couple of light mist coats, then layering to full coverage. It covers well, so it doesn't take much to get the effect. To finish off, we're applying DNA's Diamond Clear. Mixed at 2:1 with 5% reducer, slightly under reduced to help bury the stencil edges and level out the surface. Start with a light tack coat over the stencil area to keep the edge build up down. Then follow up with 2 full coats for gloss and protection. That's the full process, a complete brake caliper respray using DNA custom paints, applied wet on wet to demonstrate the efficiency and quality of our products, even with custom details like stencils. For pro-level results with easy application, check out our full range at dna-paints.com. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this.